Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to dive into the exciting world of side hustles. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or even transition to a new career, a side hustle can be a game changer. So let's get started. Before we jump into the practical steps, let's take a moment to understand why side hustles are so powerful. They provide you with additional income, which can alleviate financial stress and give you more freedom in your life. Moreover, side hustles can be a stepping stone to building your own business or exploring new passions. Now let's explore some proven side hustle ideas to help you generate that extra income and diversify your revenue streams. Freelancing is a fantastic way to leverage your skills and earn money on the side. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, programmer, or even a virtual assistant, there are countless platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr where you can offer your services. Take advantage of your expertise and turn it into a profitable side business. Freelancing is all about offering your specialized skills and knowledge to clients on a project basis. It allows you to work on your own terms, choose the projects you're passionate about, and set your own rates. The demand for freelancers is constantly growing as businesses and individuals seek flexible solutions. You can start by creating an impressive portfolio and showcasing your work samples. Building a strong online presence through a professional website or social media profiles can help attract clients and build your reputation in the industry. Remember, success in freelancing requires not just skill, but also effective communication, time management, and delivering high-quality work. Another booming industry is e-commerce. With platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon, you can sell products online with ease. Consider your hobbies, interests, or unique products you can create and start building your own brand. You can even utilize dropshipping to minimize upfront costs and logistics. E-commerce offers endless possibilities for side hustle success. Whether you choose to sell handmade crafts, digital products, or source goods from suppliers, the key is to identify a niche market and offer something unique. Building an online store is easier than ever, with platforms providing user-friendly interfaces and pre-designed templates. Take the time to research your target audience, create captivating product listings, and implement effective marketing strategies to drive traffic to your store. By providing excellent customer service and maintaining a strong brand presence, you can turn your e-commerce side hustle into a thriving business. Renting out a room or property can be a lucrative side hustle, especially if you live in a popular area or near tourist attractions. With the rise of vacation rental platforms like Airbnb, you can easily list your space and start earning income. However, it's important to be aware of the legalities and regulations surrounding short-term rentals in your area. Make sure to familiarize yourself with local laws, obtain any necessary permits, and ensure the safety and comfort of your guests. Do you have a specialized skill or knowledge in a particular area? Share your expertise with others by creating online courses or offering coaching sessions. Websites like Udemy, Teachable, and even social media platforms allow you to monetize your knowledge and help others achieve their goals. The demand for online learning has skyrocketed, making it an opportune time to create and sell online courses. If you have expertise in a specific field, whether it's photography, marketing, cooking, or fitness, you can create a comprehensive course that shares your knowledge and helps others learn. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare provide the infrastructure and audience to showcase your courses to a wide range of learners. Additionally, coaching and consulting have become popular side hustles, with people seeking guidance and mentorship in various areas of their lives. The gig economy has revolutionized the way people work and earn money. If you have a car and enjoy driving, signing up as a rideshare driver with companies like Uber or Lyft can provide you with flexible earning opportunities. You get to choose your own working hours and be your own boss. Similarly, delivery services like Instacart, Postmates, or DoorDash allow you to earn money by delivering groceries, food, or other items to customers' doorsteps. These platforms provide the convenience of choosing your own hours and working as much or as little as you desire. Now that you have some side hustle ideas, let's discuss a few essential tips to maximize your success. Balancing your main job, personal life, and side hustle can be challenging, but it's crucial to manage your time effectively. Create a schedule, prioritize tasks, and find efficient ways to work smarter, not harder. Time management is key when it comes to juggling multiple responsibilities. Start by setting clear goals and objectives for your side hustle. Break them down into smaller, manageable tasks and allocate specific time slots for each task. By creating a schedule and sticking to it, you'll ensure that you make progress and avoid procrastination. Remember, it's all about being disciplined, organized, and making the most of the time you have available. In the fast-paced world we live in, staying ahead of the curve is essential. Dedicate time to learning new skills, staying updated with industry trends, and expanding your knowledge. This will not only benefit your side hustle, but also your overall personal and professional growth. Continuously learning and upskilling yourself is crucial for long-term success in any side hustle. Take advantage of online courses, webinars, and resources to enhance your skills and knowledge. Stay updated with the latest trends and developments in your industry to ensure you're offering the best value to your clients or customers. By investing in your own growth and development, you'll not only improve the quality of your side hustle, but also open up new opportunities for expansion and increased income. Building a network of like-minded individuals can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Attend events, join online communities, and engage with others in your field. You never know who you might meet and how they can contribute to your side hustle success. Networking is a powerful tool for expanding your reach, gaining insights, and finding potential clients or collaborators. Attend industry conferences, workshops, or meetups to connect with people who share similar interests. Engage in online communities and forums such as Facebook groups or LinkedIn groups where you can exchange ideas, seek advice, and learn from others' experiences. Remember, networking is not just about what you can gain, but also what you can contribute. Be genuine, build meaningful relationships, and be willing to help others. To truly safeguard your financial stability, it's important to diversify your revenue streams. Don't rely solely on one side hustle. Explore multiple avenues, invest in different income streams, and create a diversified portfolio of side businesses. This way, even if one slows down, you'll have others to rely on. Well, there you have it, your guide to side hustle success and diversifying your revenue streams. Remember, the journey won't always be easy, but with dedication, perseverance, and a strong work ethic, you can achieve your financial goals and live life on your own terms. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.